Well. It was quick and it was fast. Historic first day night test match at Sabina Park and historic worst ever batting display by the West Indies in the history of Test cricket. All out. All out. Put it this way. 7 men make ducks, including 4 first ball ducks. It's the season for it. So we're gonna need to cut a ribbon to open up a duck farm. And look, people were getting excited and carried away because our bowlers kept us relevant for periods across the series. We feel like we did bad, but we're not too bad. Well, we are that bad. None of the batsmen in this West Indies team averaged as much as 30. What were we expecting against the best bowling attack in the world? With the swinging pink ball, what we expect to happen? What did we expect to happen? Well, whatever you expected, whatever me expected, the reality is all out. All out. You know, you hear me say, me not scream and shout, all out. 7 all out. 20 to 27 all out.